This is a live local Codex demo running with GPT 5.6 Sol. It combines two plugins that also work independently: Agentic Runner, the upstream control plane, and Coding Agents, the specification to implementation workflow. An invalid role is rejected before dispatch. No worker starts and no source changes occur. After correction, Agentic Runner declares separate owners for implementation and documentation, then fans the work out into isolated scopes. Coding Agents receives only the confirmed implementation packet. Two official Codex workers execute in parallel. One builds and tests a zero-dependency release pulse CLI, the other writes standalone usage and architecture documentation. As live files appear, each branch remains independently accountable. The documentation owner confirms standalone and optional pairing boundaries, while the implementation owner returns its fixture, manifest, source, and tests. The controller waits for evidence, not status claims. The real demo command generates a markdown report and a machine-readable JSON summary. All three tests pass, and Coding Agents checks the result against the original specification. Finally, Coding Agents verifies the completion packet against concrete files, commands, tests, and collected results. Agentic Runner audits the combined workflow for ownership, isolation, lifecycle state, supervision, and evidence coverage. The demo shows a controlled path from design consultation to an executable instruction to verified code and multi-output delivery. Use either plugin by itself or pair them when one upstream controller must coordinate several bounded outcomes.